So welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss a lead code problem. So let's first understand the problem of the statement. So here I have a table cinema, and in this I have a data seat ID and free seat. So you can see here I have seat ID 1 2 3 4 5 and the free seat here 1 and 0. So here 1 means a free seat and 0 means already occupied. So what we have to find out in this, we have to find out consecutive available seat more than 2. So now you can see here, like in seat ID 1, for seat ID 1 I have one free seat, and after that on seat ID 2 seat is occupied, and after that for seat ID 3, 4 and 5 there is free seat. So we have to find out this should be the output, like seat ID 3, 4, 5, these are the consecutive seats which are free. So now how we will approach this query? So for solving this query, first I will put self join on this table. So let's start. Select star from cinema. I will give alias name C1, and then I will do inner join with the same table. So now if I run this query, I got this data. So here you can see I have in free seat I have all the details, like I have details of the free seat and as well as seat of the occupied. So now I will use where clause where free seat equals to 1 in table C1 and in table C2 where free seat equals to 1. So now I will use here where C1 dot free seat equals to 1 and C2 dot free seat equals to 1. So if I run this query, so let's see the output. So here you can see now I have the data where free seat is 1. Where free seat is 1. So now we have to find like consecutive 3 seat. Like here I have seat ID 1, 3, 4 and 5. But 1 it's free seat, and after that 3, 4 and 5, these are the consecutive. So for this we have to add a filter on seat ID where C1 seat equals to C2 seat plus 1, so that we can take previous ID as well. So for this I will write and C1 dot seat ID equals to C2 dot seat ID plus 1. So if I run this query, now you can see I got the seat ID 4 and 5 and seat ID 3 and 4. So here I got this data. So so for consecutive seat, what I have to do? I have to do separately these two. I have to do separately these two data. So for this, what I will do here, I will mention C1 dot seat ID, and I will put here distinct from this, and I will repeat same thing for C2 table. So here I will mention C2, and if I run this query, so let's see the output. So here you can see from table C1 I got the seat ID 4 and 5, and from table 2 C2 I got the seat ID 3 and 4. So if I will join these both tables, so I will got my output. So for this I have to use here union, and this is the desired output. This is the output which we want. So I hope it's clear to you all, and I will put script in the description box. So first try it once so that you can understand it properly. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.